I had to wake up at 2 a.m. in the morning for 2 years straight working my 9 to 5, but then I decided enough is enough, so I decided to quit my job. Within the first month of me quitting my job, I had made $3,000 trading. Now fast forward to today, I make consistently $5,000 plus per month. Most people thought that I was crazy when I told them I was dropping out my job, especially my parents. My parents were actually pretty supportive, but you guys know what parents are like. They always want the best for their children, and they wasn't really sure how this trading thing sort of actually worked, but I knew deep down that I could make it work, and now I make consistently $5,000 plus per month, and some of my best months have been $10,000 plus. Back then I was super sleep deprived, waking up at 2 a.m. in the morning every single day, and I was trying to juggle trading at the same time, and that was just a recipe for disaster. I was super sleep deprived while I was on the chart, was making pretty bad decisions, but then I finally started to see some results. I had started seeing consistent payouts each and every single month, but I knew that I couldn't continue waking up at 2 a.m. every single day of my life, and I knew that something had to change, and it had to change fast before I got too comfortable. And I just wanted that freedom, the locational freedom, the time freedom, the money freedom, and those are all things that can be obtained from trading. So I literally just decided to quit my job and go all in on trading. It wasn't easy for the first few months. I had felt this really strong pressure on me to have to make this work, make my parents proud, to make my friends proud. I have failed and doubted myself more times than I can even count, but I still continue to keep learning, improving, and showing up every single day no matter what. But more importantly, I finally built that life of freedom that I always dreamed of having since I was super young. And now my goal is to help you guys reach that life of freedom that you've always ever dreamed of having by giving you guys my exact roadmap that you can follow step by step. If you are ready to quit your 9 to 5 job and have that life of freedom that you've always ever dreamed of having, don't forget to follow along with the journey.